guys, it's your girl Radiance here today, and today is gonna be part 2 of my skin routine. Not a skin routine, but like it's kind of like 2019 skin routine, but also 2019 self-care part 2. So we're gonna do that video today, and yeah, we're gonna do that video today because literally it's the same day and I'm doing 2 videos at a time and I'm going back and forth with my phone. But yeah, let's start the video. Don't forget to hit the subscribe button. Don't forget to hit that like button if you want to, because we don't force, no, we don't. But don't forget to hit that bell button and let's get right on to the video. So for self-care video, wow, for self-care skin video 2019, we kind of switched it up a little bit because we wanted to try new things, and we always wanted to try new things because Instagram doesn't force us, but it, you know, persuades us like, hey, you gotta change a little bit of this and this, and you gotta buy this and this. And me and shopping are best friends, so we did some shopping. So I've been trying new things and old things, and I canceled some other things. Right now for skin facial thing, I only been using the Glossier Milky Jelly Cleanser. I've been using this to death because this makes my skin a very moisturized and very clean. It feels like my pores are freaking clean using this and moisturized at the same time. So testing this out was amazing because I've been testing this out since December. So I'm probably gonna buy the bigger one because I know I'm gonna run out sooner or later. Now the thing that I've been testing for a couple of months just to like see is the Fresh Youth Lotus Lotion Moisturizer Face Cream thing. I used to have the small one, and I just decided to take the plunge, and like literally I am in love with the fresh one since I had the little one. So I just decided, you know, let's buy the big one. Let's just buy it because, you know, wasting more money if we're buying the small one. So might as well just get the big one, you know, have it for a little bit. And you know, I'm in love. Oh my god, the smell is amazing. I love this to death. I have been testing something new that I probably am going to show you, but this right here, I've been using this for a while. So this is moisturizing. It's so good. It makes my skin so baby soft. I don't know why, but Fresh, you're doing a good job. The next thing is also from Fresh. Well, 2 things from Fresh. I have been using the Rose Hydrating Eye Gel. This is amazing. It makes my under eyes very refreshed and hydrating. Hello. I literally just put a little bit on my finger and just wipe, and with my makeup it makes it non-crusty with the concealers and stuff. Especially I use matte concealers sometimes, so this is good handy. Probably will buy a bigger one. I've been using this for 2 months and I still have a lot left. So yeah, a little goes a long way. And then I did get the Sugar little lip therapy thing from Fresh. God, it smells so good. I got this one. Ugh, it smells so good. Like when you finish doing a fresh face cleaning and everything, then you bring this up to your lips and your lips look nice. You don't gotta do that sugar scrub like that because this got it in there and it kind of tastes like sugar. So don't judge me, okay? Don't judge me. And then I did get a sample of the Truth Serum from, we're not gonna say that word because I can't say it and I don't want to butcher it, but yeah, I got their face mask, the blue one, but I decided to try this Truth Serum. It smells like oranges. I did not taste it yet, but it smelled like oranges. Kinda am in love with it. Probably gonna buy this bigger one, but I did want to get the new toner that they got in for black, like the black spots for your back acne and stuff like that. So I did want to get it, but I'm in love with this. I probably am gonna get, no, I'm most definitely gonna get the bigger size because this is like not a oil precisely, but it's like a serum, but it's like not oily but moisturizing but not too dry. Like this is what that is. And I've been testing it for 2, 3, it was 3 weeks now, and to die for. I'm literally like, you need to try this ASAP because this shit is amazing, literally. And the thing that I also am finally been trying, and I think it's around here somewhere. Oh, let me see if I can find it, because literally I have a lot of face stuff like you do not know. So the thing that I've been trying is this from Drunk Elephant. A lot of people have been telling me, hey, why don't you try Drunk Elephant? Hey, why don't you try this from Drunk Elephant? So this is the whipped cream the Lala Retro whipped creamed. I don't know if it's lotion or it's a whipped cream. I do have to say, the first 2 times, like the first time I put it on, it did say, hey, you should put it on with an oil. My dumbass didn't. My dumbass just, you know, wore it with by itself. And it kind of felt a little tingly and it was a little bit red here. But my thing is, like, I probably did it wrong, and it probably, you know, I needed to do that, but I didn't do it because I don't listen. So I was like, let me give you a second chance. And I put it in with this, and it still made that tingling sensation in my skin. And like right here was, it wasn't red irritating, but like right here red. Sometimes the products do that because my skin is like, I need to get used to you before I even appreciate you and get, you know, acquaintance with you. So my skin does that a lot. That's how everything else like started in my skin. But I probably am gonna try this again because it, but like I don't know how I feel about it. Like it literally, like I took a little small amount that it told me to, and literally made my skin like a little bit like sticky type of thing. I don't know, but I really did love this like packaging and the way it's like a whipped cream and stuff. But I don't know, I'm still gonna test her out, give her a couple of more tries to see if, you know, my skin needs to get used to it. But I don't know, I'll probably try it with a different like oil thing, like a real base oil, because like I said, the true serum is literally not an oil. It's basically like a moisturizer type of serum type of thing. The next thing that I've been using is, if you guys already know, my Glacier Zit Stick. I put this on any zit that's popping up, like that wants to be like, hello. I'll be like, nope, you gotta go. Like, you have to go. I use this religiously, which I think I have to get another one because I've been breaking out because I've been so stressed lately for all this video stuff. But this is just like magic on a stick, and my brother even likes it, and he's on like the acne stage of being a teenager. So this right here, amazing. And the last thing that I've used once I put the oil and everything, I actually use a serum with this. I got this one from Forever 21 when I was in Atlantic City. Literally I put this in the refrigerator and let it, you know, get cold, and use it and start massaging the face, because the face also needs to be massaged. I love even playing with it like this. I don't know why, but I just do. But literally I use this all over my face, and oh my god, it feels so good to massage your face, because your face, once you wash your face, you put your oils and everything, you feel fresh. And with the massager, it's like, oh my god, heaven on earth. This one I got for $12. Like, I believe any roller is perfectly fine because a bitch is on a budget. I probably will also buy the other one because I love shopping. So yeah, I got this one. I also do this, like to do like this under my under eyes sometimes, just so you know. I haven't slept because, you guys, I literally have been doing everything for the video soon that's coming out. Yeah, but yeah, I love using this. Like, this is just amazing when you massage yourself and everything. But yeah, that's everything that I've been using for skin routine. I am gonna do a skin routine video with no talking, just doing it, so you guys can see what I actually do. So stay tuned for that video coming very soon. And yeah, I hope you enjoyed this video, guys. Don't forget to give it a thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe and hit that bell button to be notified when I post videos, because a lot of you have been asking me, hey, when you post videos, hey, why I haven't seen a video? And I'm just like, have you hit that notification button to be notified? Because you don't even have to ask. Like, once I post a video, Premiere will like be like, hey. And yeah, I don't know what else to say, guys, but I love you guys, and I'll see you next time. Bye.